Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to save your normal document into PDF in your WPS Office Writer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to export or save the document in WPS Office Writer? This is having two methods. The first method is just go to the menu. You can see export to PDF. I just click here. You can see a pop-up called here like this. You can see export to common PDF is free, but the image PDF is paid. And here you just untick if you don't want to after open after the export, just click on the export, but it need to sign in on any account, any Google account for WPS Office Writer. But you can also still make the second method, and which it will be free. And here you can also select the page range, the two pages. If you don't want to export the two pages, you just need to select only one. If you want to export a range from a 6 to 8, you can select from 6 to 8 like that. So you can also export multiple documents by opening on the WPS Office Writer. So the second method is going to show, just click on the print option on the top, or just click on the menu and go to the print option. Now you just change the name to Microsoft Print to PDF option here and click OK now, and automatically you can easily save the PDF without signing in Google account. Now I just going to open my folder. You can see now the PDF has been saved here. So this is the second method. You can easily download the PDF. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about WPS Office Writer, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.